Hi, I'm Mr. Walberg. Welcome back. After a decade of work in the social studies classroom, I've come to believe that content is king. Now, in these videos, you're going to see highly developed lectures, if a somewhat underdeveloped lecturer, from an experienced teacher. You know, a lot of teachers say that they don't want to be the sage on the stage. They would prefer to be instead the guide on the side. I understand that point of view, and in a lot of subject areas I can see how it would really work. But in the social studies, at least, the content matters. High school students must be introduced to the storyline. They have to get to know the characters. They have to work within a defined scope. And I think that direct instruction is the best way to serve this discipline. Other than my duty as a Catholic school teacher to pass on the faith, a duty I take very seriously, it's less important to me that a student believes what I believe or thinks the way I think. In fact, one of the best compliments I ever got from a student was right after his graduation ceremony. He came up to me and he says, "Mr. Walberg, I took 3 of your classes. Man, I could never figure out your politics." That's kind of hard to do sometimes in a social studies classroom. And in fact, I was teaching government and politics that year that he graduated. But I take that as a compliment because the class should never be about me. I teach for the benefit of my students. I teach for the benefit of my school. I teach for the greater glory of God. Now, I mean, you'll see a lot of my personality in these classes, but students should walk away not thinking about my personality. They should walk away knowing that their story is a story of a person created in the image and likeness of a God who loves them. And that world history or U.S. history or whatever class, that's their history. And these stories are their stories. The stories of how God calls man back to Him. Now, I should admit, and if you watch enough of these videos, you'll understand that sometimes I come up short in that part of my practice as a Catholic school teacher. So it is. I, too, am a child of the fall. All I can say is that I'll do my best, and please do your best. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn a lot. God bless you.